This is my Olympus EM1. It is the Mark 1 or the first version released in 2013. And to reset, you just go to reset/myset. And there are two different types of reset. If you press the right button to go over, you can select basic or full. The difference is going to be full will reset the MySet data and basic won't. There's more to that, which I will put up the pages for the from the manual. But if we go down to record erase, one thing you need to know is copyright settings will not be removed with either option to reset the camera. So I will go back to the reset. I will do a full reset, and you do that by selecting OK. Yes, you can see the MySet data is gone. But if I go back to the copyright settings, there you can still see my name. So you have to go into artist name or copyright name and delete those individually. A full reset will set the default to off for displaying artist or copyright information in image metadata. You can see this on page 150 of the manual, which will be linked. It's also the second to last page. I'm not sure if I will show page numbers or not. This is definitely a setting I would check if you just recently purchased or are going to sell the camera. Hi, I'm Nathaniel. I hope you found that helpful. If you have, please consider subscribing or watching one of my other videos. There are more videos on the EM1 coming that will be helpful to anyone that has the camera for the first time.